Croatia enters its 6th year of recession. In these uncertain times, the oldest and largest financial institution in Croatia celebrates its 100th birthday. Zagrebačka banka wants to remind the public that it has been and will continue to be the best guardian of our values. We started the Time Vault, our own time capsule that safeguards items and possessions for the next 100 years. After all, Zaba had successfully overcome the challenges of the past 100 years. First, we remind the audience of the past, of the many things that our bank has left behind in its first 100 years. Through different formats, we talk about the projects that left a huge mark on our collective history. Next, we turn to the future. We ask people to leave something of emotional value in our Time Vault. What is it that you would like left behind in 100 years' time? Familiar faces inspire people to leave something for future generations.
Tamburicu. Lude znanstvene ideje.
Bolje društvo.
Jedan dobar refren.
Dobar vic.
Things can be sent by post or brought to a branch and photos uploaded to the microsite. The Time Vault microsite collects all of the physical objects and photos which are displayed in the gallery and are easily shared. Stories generated by users were later used offline and online in the final phase of the campaign, showing real people with their testaments for the future.
Mi za budućnost ostavljamo malo dobre glazbe.
The whole of Croatia responded to the question. Thousands of items filled up the vault, each item bearing a little piece of personal history. And a few big pieces from our nation's greatest moments, like Dražen Petrovic's original silver medal from the Olympic Games in Barcelona, or our football coach's reminder of Croatia's 3rd place in the 1998 World Cup.
Da možete, koju biste stvar ostavili svojim potomcima.
The Time Vault truly became a part of the everyday life.
I kad se u medijima postavlja pitanje što bi netko pohranio u trezor.
Each person who uses the vault receives a certificate, a legally binding contract that commits the bank to keep and return the object to its bearer. All of the collected objects are boxed and physically placed in the vault, located underneath the bank's main branch. On September 8th, the vault is locked, and the timer is switched on. To be continued in 2114.